So this application provides service and you can pay on spot. But if you want to pay in advance, let's say 5 KD, they will give you back 6 KD. And this is the pure riba. It's pure usury, and there's no doubt this is the exact riba that the Prophet ﷺ and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before that in the Quran prohibited us from transacting and dealing with this type of transactions. Now, giving 5 KD, even if the service is involved, the nature of the contract is this. You are going to provide 5 KD for this app. And they will use your money now for any reason. So it's as a loan. They've taken it as a loan now. They're not saving it for you. If they are saving it for you, they will not give you 1 dinar. They will take 1 dinar from you. So they have taken the money, they will use it, and they promise to give it back to you whenever you want, which means that if you want to use it for that specific service, they'll pay you 1 dinar, 2 dinar, and at the end they will give you extra 1 dinar. And this 1 dinar is already stipulated in the contract, and this is the riba, wallahu a'lam. So it must be avoided. Wallahu a'lam.